Well, okay guys, welcome today. We're going to look through virtually every question that you possibly could be asked in your test, and I'm going to go through each one and show you how to answer it. So hopefully you enjoy this. Always go back, look at it, stop it, pause it, etc., etc. Okay? So the first question is what is this number to one decimal place? So what you've got to always think about is, what is the first one decimal place? And here it's 3.7. 7 is it. Now, does 7 stay as 7 or does it go up to 8? If the number to the right is a high number, then it goes up. If it's a low number, it stays as it is. Remember, high numbers are numbers that are 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and low numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a low number, it stays as 7. High number goes up to 8. In this case, 3.8. So we're looking at naming angles. For this one, you just need to remember something like a rose. The smallest ones are acute, then it's right, obtuse, straight, and reflex. And it's just a case of remembering this, jotting it down. That's all you need to do. So here we've got fractions, fractions of an amount. So 1 over 4 means a quarter. Simply divide the number by 4. 1 over 3 would mean a third. You divide by 3. 1 over 5 means a fifth. Divide by 5. If it says 2 over 3, that's 2/3, divide by 3, then times by 2. And similarly, 4 over 5 means 4/5, divide by 5, and then times by 4. So some algebra here, 2 parts, do the numbers, 6 times 3, 18, and A times B, AB. So the answer is 18AB. So we're collecting like terms here. Imagine you've got rabbits and squirrels. Bring all the rabbits together and all the squirrels, but bring their signs with them. So here you've got 4 rabbits plus 3 rabbits, take away 2 rabbits, 5 rabbits. And then you've got 6 squirrels, take away a squirrel, 5 squirrels, and then bring it all together at the end. Speed, distance, time graph. Look at that triangle, it's really powerful. So to find the distance, it's speed times time. Make sure your units are all the same. So it's 3.5. Here you have 2 parts to this. The first part, you've got to try and work out x. What do I add to 5 to make 11? 6. And then put it in. 3x squared. BIDMAS means squaring first. So it's 3 times 6 squared, 3 times 36. Here it's about lowest common multiple. So to do this, put a link there using the ladders. It's really good. So look at how I've done that. Pause this, check it out, and you'll see how to do it. And you see the L shape. Really, I would definitely recommend researching this. This will come up in a test. HCF, just the same idea, exactly same method. So 2 times 2 times 3, or in our example, 6 times 2 is 12, sorry. So again, look through on that. Now, percentage increase or decrease is going to be the difference divided by the original times 100. So you find the difference by taking the new 600 from the original 480 is 120. Divide that by the original 600 times by 100. What do you times 5 by to get to 60? Well, divide 60 by 5 is 12. So 5 times 12. That bracket equals 12. Something take away 8 equals 12. That something must be 20. Take your time on this one. There are 80 people in a running club. Each sentence statement is a maths part. So there are 80 equals 80. Half of them are women, so you've got 40 women. There are twice as number of women as men, so that means there are 20 men. So therefore, that's 60. You've got 20 left over. There are 20 children. Now, in the ratio of children to men, make sure the order's correctly. C to M, that's 20 to 20. And you can simplify that 1 to 1. Right, this is all to do with scale factor. Scale factor is the new value divided by the old. So you've got to work out which is the new, which is the old. DF is the new, so AC will be the old. EF is the new, and therefore BC is the old. So you use those two to work out the scale factor. Once you've done that, times it by 21. Have a look at what I've just done. So reading from a distance time graph, here the question is simply, when did I get to Liverpool? So check where Liverpool is and then go down to the bottom of the axes and you can see it says 10, probably 10 a.m. Okay, be careful how you read the axes. So in the second part of this question, it says, what's the distance between Formby and Liverpool? Well, Formby is 40 miles away, kilometres away. Liverpool is 90, so that's 50 kilometres. Now, the rest points, this is where they stayed still. Stationary points are the flat points, so you just have to add those two. Make sure your units are correct, 45 minutes. And then finally, the speed. As we did earlier, it's distance over time. So you can see the distance is 90 and it's 60 minutes or an hour. So it's 90 over 1, 90 kilometres per hour. Finally, angles on a straight line. These all add up to 180. You should know that. How many x's? We've got 6. So 6x equals 180, x equals 30.